Welcome to Narbonne, a historic city in southern France known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the 13th century Narbonne Cathedral. Situated near the Mediterranean coast, it offers scenic views, Roman ruins, and vibrant local markets that reflect its rich cultural heritage. Narbonne is located in the Occitanie region of southern France, roughly halfway between Montpellier to the northeast and Perpignan to the southwest. Our journey begins at the Narbonne Cathedral. The Narbonne Cathedral, or Cathédrale Saint-Just-et-Saint-Pasteur, is an iconic Gothic cathedral that dates back to the 13th century and remains famously unfinished due to political and financial challenges. Its towering choir, among the highest in France, showcases stunning stained glass windows that fill the space with vibrant light and color. As a key landmark in Narbonne, the cathedral reflects the city's medieval heritage and stands as a testament to the ambition of its original builders. The cathedral's intricate stone carvings and impressive architectural details make it a popular destination for history and art enthusiasts alike. La Via Domitia in Narbonne is a historic square that reveals remnants of an ancient Roman road, which once connected Italy to Spain. Discovered in 1997, the exposed stonework offers visitors a rare glimpse into Narbonne's importance as a strategic crossroads during Roman times. Today, the square is a popular gathering spot where people can admire this archaeological feature set amidst the vibrant city center. The Canal de la Robine is a scenic waterway that runs through Narbonne, connecting the city to the Mediterranean Sea. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the canal is part of the larger Canal du Midi network and features beautiful tree-lined banks that attract walkers and cyclists. Along its route, visitors can enjoy charming waterfront cafes, historic bridges, and the vibrant atmosphere of this essential part of Narbonne's heritage. Thank you for watching.